I'm looking around so I can check my wig. L to the D to the L to the D to the L to the D to the Ladessa. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you are here. I'm like moving around because I have it on like autofocus and the square is trying to find my face. But anyway, thank you so much for being here. I would be so happy if you would subscribe to my channel. There's a button, like I think somewhere in here, that you can hit and subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you anything. I don't spam you. I don't need any personal information. You just hit it and then we're together, like together forever. And if this video tickles your fancy, and I hope that it will, because I aim to please, we can get to know each other in the comment section, and you can give me a big thumbs up, and you are welcome to share. You don't need any like security clearance or any permission slip signed to share and tell everyone about you and I. So as you know, each week we celebrate the ladies from Aging Gorgeously and Beauty YouTuber Growth Group. And there isn't any individual ladies that we're celebrating. We're celebrating them all. Let me put this down. So all of their links will be in the description box below. I will pop iCards, throughout this video of some of my favorite videos from these ladies. And if you would be so kind to support them as you support me, it just would mean a lot. These ladies, I have grown to love them. They are my friends, and they have a wonderful content that they're sharing right here on YouTube. So after we have got all of our salutations out of the way, let me set the stage for why we are here today. So you remember in your youth that your mother, your father, your auntie, uncle, grandma, someone that was in charge of you at the moment would ask you, why did you do something? And your immediate response would be, so-and-so made me do it. And then here they come. Well, if so-and-so jumped off a bridge, would you do it? Your knee-jerk reaction is, well, no. But I mean, like, real spill, your real thought process was, shit, if it looked fun, I probably, if it looked fun, I probably would take a dip. So that is exactly what this video is about. It is about me laying the responsibility of my actions at someone else's feet. So if you are a content creator, we've all done it. We've watched the tutorials. We've watched the videos on what you need to do to increase engagement, what you need to do to grow your channel, and especially if you are in lately what is like the cesspool that we call the beauty community right here on YouTube. You watch those videos where they are telling you, don't be intimidated by someone else's growth. Don't feel like you have to rush out and buy this and that, you know, this, that, there, or the other. We are calling BS on that, because of course if you hear a great review on something and you are a true makeup lover, or you see the way that your favorite guru or whatever they're calling themselves these days applies a particular something, you're like, I want that. And so here I am today. Okay, so look, I think the person who made me do all of this is sending their spirit animal over here and messing with my wig. And this video is all about what somebody else made me do. In particular, my girl down south with Danny. If you have watched any of her videos, and you should, you know that she has a monument of beauty products, and you feel like as a makeup lover that you are not investing in that which you love, or if you're a content creator, you're not investing in your craft when you watch Danny's videos. So thanks to Danny. And look, did I go down to the Ulta or down to the Sephora or the JCPenney Sephora, or did I, get on the website and throw the stuff in my cart and put in my zip code and put in my security code on the back of my debit card? Yes, I did, but I wouldn't have done it if Danny had made me do it. And so this is Danny's responsibility, not mine. So don't tell me that I could have not done it. No, I had to do it because I have to keep up with Danny. Danny, stop messing with my wig now. I'm trying to pull this thing together. So anyway, as I get into the things that Danny made me buy, I have an honorable mention at the end of this video. All right, so the first thing that Danny made me buy is this primer right here. If you watch Danny's videos, she has a series where she shows you her weekly makeup stash. And so what she does is something that I've incorporated, is putting my makeup together for the week and just, organizing it so you have your primers, your foundations. She bronzes and does all of that. I don't, but she puts it all together and then she showcases it for us to see. And one of the things that she always has is the Marc Jacobs, here it is, the Marc Jacobs Undercover Perfecting Coconut Face Primer. It comes in this little box here, and I don't want to put it close because the lighting will have it washed out, but it comes in this frosted glass with this white top, and this stuff is amazeballs. It is like a moisturizer as well as a primer. So one thing that I know going forward is that I will not need any moisturizer to your base after you cleanse your face. Just like putting on my serums and stuff, I can put this on and I'll be set to go. So I'm a little bit shinier than I would prefer, but that's of my own doing. So keeping in the Marc Jacobs family, I also purchased the Marc Jacobs Shameless 24-Hour Foundation right here. I am in the color Deep Y500. Now I have to say, I have not seen this on Danny's channel, but she likes Marc Jacobs, so I was like, why not just get the set? So this is very dewy. It is also medium coverage. So if you are like me and you prefer a full coverage look, spot conceal or color correct, because though you can build this up, you will be shining, 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 shining. Yeah, you will be winning, but you're gonna be shining a lot. So or use like a mattifying primer or something like this, because this is very dewy. What I will say though is that for $46, come on with the plastic container, and it has like this little spout right here that is going to get super duper messy. Look at the inside of my top. I've only used this one time, which is what I have on my face right now. All right, so one other thing that I purchased, and I left it in the bathroom because I needed to touch up, is, and I'll show a picture of it, is the Marc Jacobs Finish Line Perfecting Coconut Setting Powder. So it comes in this little cute little box right here. I really like the way that the setting powder, set underneath my eyes. I'll come in close so you can see I'm super oily right in here. All right, and then I don't know if you can see it because I'm very light-handed. I'm still learning how to apply blush, but if it wasn't for Danny, I would not even be walking the blush boulevard, but I am now. And one day I was down to the Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Ross, one of those two, and I picked up the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio. And I have the Blush Trio and Cocktail Party. I have to get to these eyes. So this baby right here, I purchased because of Danny. Now, full disclaimer, would I have purchased it anyway? Absolutely. Because I really like the product that Juvia's Place puts out, even though I think we may be having to cancel them. But Danny's video, she had like a what was it called, a Ulta Points haul, and the Afrique palette was one of the things that she hauled. And once she had it, I was like, go time. So I had to purchase it, and that's how I created this eye look. And then before I go, my honorable mention, I love this lady so much so to the point where I feel like I do not want to leave this earth without being able to physically lay eyes on her, not via her YouTube channel, but like touch her, feel her, hug her, pet Tiny, who is her cat, and that is Gadget Lily.
I saw my friend Danny from Down South with Danny. She purchased this color, and once I saw her video, I said, oh my gosh, I need to have this. So that's why I placed the order.
I absolutely love her. Her voice is just like so soothing. She's like my own personal ASMR. She is the queen of Shiseido. So please check her channel out. And she is my honorable mention because I finished this look up with the Shiseido LaquerInk Lipshine in Honey Flesh. And I've kind of worn it off a little bit. And this is what it looks like. Where is it? Okay. Here it is right here. So it is a little brown, kind of bright brown, and it's a little overpowering for me, so I had to line it with I just used like a Jordana liner. Where is that Jordana liner? I don't know where it's at, but here it is right here. Hopefully you can see that. It's so nice. It gives you a nice luster on your lips, and it's not sticky. So I really love that about this lip gloss. And so I have my own video coming of Gadget Lily made me buy it, but I wanted to shout her out because I felt like this this lip gloss, or what's it called, Lipshine, paired really well with this look that I created. So anyway, that was it, and I am not taking responsibility for any of the purchases that I made that I mentioned in this video. I am laying that all at Danny's feet, but I want her to be proud because I think, what am I going to say? What am I going to say? You don't know because you're new? Okay, well, for the newcomers, what I say when I feel like I really did it is, we did that. So I think I really did a good job in laying the responsibility at Danny's feet, but coming up with a really beautiful, flawless look. So my message to you is always remember to pack light, because bag lady, bag man, you and me too, we're gonna hurt our backs dragging all them bags like that. I love you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out my girls. All of their links are in the description box below, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.